Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to install NBA app on Samsung Smart TV. To reach the home screen, press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Next, go to the apps section by using the directional pad on your remote to select apps. Then press enter to open the Samsung App Store. Then search for the NBA app by selecting the search icon, usually a magnifying glass in the top right corner. Use the on-screen keyboard to type NBA and press done. Once you locate the NBA app in the search results, select it and click install to download it to your TV. After the installation is complete, open the NBA app from your apps list and log in with your NBA account credentials to access live games and other content. If the NBA app isn't available on your Samsung TV model or in your region, consider using a streaming device or service that provides NBA content. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!